Hello, my name is Aaron Allard. I'm working with Team 6. The rest of my team consists of Joe Bishop, Kevin Strain, and Wesley Rittinger. Our problem definition statement is to construct 4 instruments in the high, medium, and low range that will fit inside a stage box. My design was the box guitar. The materials I need is 10 feet of 2-foot wide plywood, 6 steel guitar strings, 8 wood screws, 2 wooden bridges, 6 small nails, 6 eye bolts, and 12 nuts, which brings my total cost to $14. Design constraints for my box guitar is that it is going to fit inside of the stage box. It is considered a mid-range instrument. It can play 6 different notes, and the strings can be tuned to play different notes. This was the drawing I originally drew up for the design. However, after attempting to build it, I changed it to look more like an actual guitar. Facts about my box guitar is that the density of the steel strings is 7.8 grams per cubic centimeter. The thickness or gauge of my strings is going to be 13, 17, 26, 35, 45, and 56 thousandths of an inch. The length of the strings between the notes is going to be 20 inches. The physics behind my box guitar is that the notes I'm going to be playing are F3 sharp, G3, A3, B3, C4, and D4, which have frequencies of 185, 196, 220, 246.9, 261.6, and 293.7 Hertz. The way I'm going to achieve those frequencies is through tuning of the strings by tensioning the strings. The reason that I cannot calculate the tension prior to tuning the strings is that as I tension the strings, it's going to stretch out the strings, which changes the linear mass density of the strings, which changes the tension that I need to keep the frequency at the target value. The next presenter that is supposed to go is Wesley Rittinger. However, he dropped out tonight. However, he was able to record his song, so we are going to be putting that in our final group production of the song. His design was to build a rubber band bass box. He was going to have 8 rubber bands across an open shoe box, and he's going to tension them and attempt to get them around the correct range for his notes. His instrument was going to be in the low range, and he was able to record the song. Our next presenter is going to be Joe Bishop.